Okay, so I want to do a quick review of this beginner textures Tri-4 slimes from Kawaii Slime Company. This is really unique and it would make a great gift, especially for someone that is really not familiar with slime and they kind of want to test out 4 different textures. And it comes in this really cute container. So this is what it looks like, 4 different compartments. And we have butter slime, and it is so realistic. It looks just like butter. And this is really stretchy and spreadable. Then we have the thick and glossy. It's very, very glossy and it has a really good scent too. And then we have cloud cream. Very stretchy, has a really good scent. Little stars in there. And we have clear putty. There's a rainbow in there. How cute is that? And little sprinkles. So this would make a really cute gift. It comes in a cute box. So highly recommend this.